Today's video is going to be very interesting, number basis, and as the title suggests, it has something to do with this world, this realm we are in. Why do we use base 10? The title should give you the hint that we have 10 fingers. These are the characters. Our whole number system is built on this. So the odometer now has only 8 characters. Hello everyone, welcome to this video. This is the 4th video of this week and in this IOQM series, and if you have not watched the previous ones, of course go to the description where you will find the playlist where I have covered almost all the topics in number theory which is required for IOQM preparation. Now this week will be the last. I will finish off with number theory, then we'll start with geometry. Now today's video is going to be very interesting, number basis, and as the title suggests, it has something to do with this world, this realm we are in. See, we use numbers base 10. Yeah, so we use base 10. Why do we use base 10? The title should give you the hint that we have 10 fingers. We have 10 fingers. Look at it. We have 10. So we use only 10 characters. What is base 10 exactly? Why is it base 10? Why? Like, what is it? Huh? So base 10, we say it is base 10 because we have the characters 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These are the characters. Our whole number system is built on this. Our is built on this. So do they signify really anything? No, they are just symbols and characters which are which we use to denote certain quantity. As I talked about in the first video, in the origin of number theory video. If you have not watched it, please do. That's a very interesting video which I made. Okay. This is our whole number system base, right? Base, because the whole number system is built on this. These are the bricks. Any number you give me, pi, e, anything, irrational, rational, doesn't matter. Everything I can represent using these 10 characters. There are 10 characters which we use to make our number. So if you look at it, any number I take, so how do the numbers progress for us? We start with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 till 9, and then the next number, we don't have any other character, so we use the 0 again, but since it has to be different from that, it has to be more than that, we just put a 1 beside it. This is our system, this is how we have developed it, right? So from this, how does it continue? We keep the 1 and we put 11, we put 12, 13, and the moment we again reach the top number on the right side, we increase this. So the next number becomes, this is 0 and this is 2, 21, 2, 10. So that's something which makes our numbers base 10. Does it always have to be that way? Need not be, right? So we'll see in certain characters that they have only 3 fingers here and a thumb. So they have 4 fingers on one hand, so they have 8 fingers on their hands. So the base might be totally different for them. Now let's try using different bases. So this guy, for example, he has 4 fingers and this hand has another 4. So they probably use only 8 characters to denote their numbers. So this guy has only, they only use 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's it. Their whole numbers, all of their numbers are based on only these 8 characters. So if I am counting something as 10, what would they call it? Let's try to look at it, right? So for me, 10 is when I have some 10 characters. So when I have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is actually the 10 characters which we have. So what would they do? They will have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and they have exhausted their characters, their list of symbols which they can use. So what do they do? What did we do after 9? We used a 0 and we used a 1. So our 8 corresponds to their 10. Make sense? And then they continue 1, 1. So our 9 corresponds to their 11. So our 10 will correspond to their 12. So we write our 10 base 10 is equal to 12 base 8. So what is 10 base 8? 10 base 8 is 8 base 10. So here I am doing base 10. Here I am doing base 8. Why base 8? This is the basis of his number system. Do you understand? That is so crazy for me. So let's look at a few other numbers. Suppose I am talking about my 23, right? So my 23 means okay, how many 8s are there? Or maybe I want to talk about what is the 23 in base 8, their world's 23. What would that be in our case? So their 23 means they are starting with 0, 1, 2, 3 till 7, and then they have 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1 till 1, 7, and then they have 2, 0, 2, 1, 2, 3. This is the number. So what is that? There is an 8, there is another 8, and there is 3. So that is 2 into 8 plus 3. Do you see that? So that is 16 plus 3, 19 base 10. This is how we convert. Now how do I convert from this to that? Okay, let's do that. So I have 19 base 10. How do I convert it to something base 8? So I'll write 19. So I have 0, 1, 2, 3 dot till 9, 1, 0, 1, 1 dot till 19. How many 8s are there? So we already till 7 there is an 8. Till from 8 till so 8 is there 10, right? 8 is there 10. So from 8 till 17 they have another 8, and from 17 till here they have a 3. So it is 8 plus 8 plus 3. Okay, no, I am doing something different. So in 8, so okay. When I add 8 and 8, that becomes 10. So this is the 10 for them. And I am adding another 8, which is another 10, right? And this 3 remains the 3. Yeah, so this becomes 23. So in world of 8 characters, our 8 is their 10. in the world of eight characters, or in the world of base 8. Do you understand this? Are you able to follow? So it's almost like so they basically don't have the characters 8, 9, 10, 8, 9. Like they are missing 2 characters. Okay, so there is a question which often appears in okay, we'll deal about the question later. Actually, I have that question in my mind. There is a question related to faulty odometer. You know odometer? Odometer is the device which calculates the distance on your bike, right? Bike or car, any vehicle. The device which calculates your distance. So how does that work? That works by flipping the digits, isn't it? So it kind of has this box, and it starts with 0, and then 0 goes slowly up, and there will be 1, 2, 3. It has till 9, and then the moment 9 passes, the roll starts with 0 again. 0, 1, 2, 3, and then the moment 9 goes to 0, this becomes 1. The moment again 9 goes to 0, this becomes 2. So the number of times that happens, this keeps on increasing. So that idea can be used when we want to calculate. Suppose we don't have 9 again, right? We have base 8. We are dealing with base 8. So we have an odometer which does not have 9. So why do we have, okay, suppose we are having only 9, right? Suppose we have 9 characters. In our world we have 10 fingers, so we are using characters from 0 to 9. And I want to calculate what is 234. I have 234. So what is 234? 234 is, so how many times does it revolve? How many kilometers does that mean? How many times is this revolving? Every 10, this revolves, this revolves once. Every 10 times this revolves once. Every 100 times, so every 10 times this revolves, this is going 10 times, this place will go once. When does this go 10 times? This is going 100 times. Right, because we have 10 characters, I want to underline that fact. So let's see, what is 234? 234 is, if we are starting from 0, 1, 2 till 9. This is 10. 10 till 19. Another 10. Like this, we are going till 100. So there are 10 of these. Right? And after that, we go that twice. So there is another set of 100, 101 till 200. Before the 200 hits, we would have reached another 10 into 10. So how many 10 into 10 are there? 2 into 10 into 10 are there. Plus, after we reach here, from 200 we go till 230. So we do 201, 02, 03 till 09, and then so there will be a 10 here, 10 here, 10 here, till we go till 30. Before 30, what happens? Till 29, we would have gone 3 into 10 times. 10 will have happened 3 times. Yeah? And after that, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. This will have gone 4 times. So that's the thing. That is why we are counting it, because we are counting it in base 10, we can write like this. So this is base 10. All these, whatever we did in this slide, is base 10. Now let's do what is 234 mean in base 8. Right? Let's do base 8. Let me write it down. What happens? So the odometer now has only 8 characters. It can go 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And the moment it hits 7, it goes to 0, and that moment this becomes 1. Till then it was 0. It was initially everything is 0. But the moment it hits 7, this becomes 1. Then the moment it again becomes 7, it becomes 2. Again it becomes 1, it becomes 3. So if I have, this has to revolve 8 times for this to revolve 1 time. For this to revolve 2 times, it has to revolve 16 times, implies this becomes 2 times. Right? It revolves 16 times, so this becomes 2 times. Now, for this to revolve 1 time, this has to revolve 1 time. This has to revolve 8 times. When does this revolve 8 times? Implies this has to revolve 8 into 8 times. So this will revolve 1 time. So we cannot call it the hundreds place now, can we? You cannot call it the hundreds place. So now again let us see what is 234 base 8. When we have only 8 characters, what does this number exactly represent? What do we call that number? So again we have 1, 2, 3, 4 till 10. That's 10 characters, and 11 till 20, that's 10. Like that we go till 100. So we have 10 into 10, 100 characters. And the same way we go from 10, okay, I don't know why I'm able to, 101 till 200. We are at 200 characters. But our problem is we don't have 9 to 7, 8, 9, 10, all these are not there. So we have to erase this and we have to see what happens. What does this mean? We are not taking 10 times 10 times because we have base 10. Now we are not in base 10, we are in base 8. We should not forget that. So what happens? 0, 1, 2, 3 till 7, 8 characters. 1, 0, 1, 1 dot till 1, 0, 2, 0. Right? So it is 1, 7 and 2, 0. This is another 8 characters. Like that. What happens exactly when you go to 9, 7? You'd have gone 8 characters, 8 characters, 8 characters, 8 times. So you have gone 8 into 8 times. So your 100 corresponds to 8 into 8, 64, base 10. So the 100 in base 8 corresponds to 64 base 10. Base 10 because that's what we are counting. This is our counting. 8 into 8 is ours. I am counting. This is the counting. I am not writing the number. This is not the number. This is count. Right? The way I was counting there. Okay. So, and like that I have to go from 101 till 200. So there will be another 8 into 8. So first of all, it can be 2 into 8 square. And what about the 30? From here, I go from 0, 1 till 1, 0, 1, 0, 7 and then 1, 0 and that till 1, 7 and 2, 0, that from 2, 7 till 3, 0. This is 8, 8, 8. So I am counting 3 into 8 square. This will be here 8 times. That's why, because this is changing. Now, how many times is that changing? 1 is going to 2, 2 is becoming 3. So 3, 7, 4, 7, 5, 7 till 9, 7, which is 8 times. So if you are catching up, till 30 we have 3 into 8 square, and then after that 31, 32, 33, 34, 231, 233. This is another 4 only. So we have plus 4. So the result which we have is 234 corresponds to base 8 corresponds to 2 into 8 square plus 3 into 8 plus 4. This I could have written directly. I could have written the direct formula. I'm pretty sure everyone knows how to do that. Like everyone knows the transformation, the conversion, right? It's very easy. It's not hard at all, I'm telling you. But there's no fun in that. I'm really sorry. There's no fun in that, right? So that's how we convert any number from base A to base B. Any base B to base 10. So if I have any number 2025 base 9 is what? It is simply 2 into 9 cube plus 0 into 9 square plus 0 into 2 into 9 plus 5 into 9 power 0. Because in base 10, what do we write? In base 10, this should be, had it been base, instead of 9, it was 10 cube plus 0 into 10 square plus 2 into 10 plus 2 into 10 power 0, 5 into 10 power 0, right? So that would be the thing. So the faulty odometer question usually deals with, there is an odometer. So faulty odometer questions so is an odometer where the digit 9 doesn't appear, right? The digit 9 is not appearing, and odometer says distance traveled is 25 kilometers, but it is faulty, it is not working, but it says it is 25 kilometers. So what is the actual distance? What is the actual distance? That's the thing which we have to find. So what does this mean? The digit 9 is not appearing in the odometer, the faulty odometer. The digit 9 does not appear, and we want to find what is the actual distance when it actually displays 25 kilometers. That's actually very simple. If the digit 9 does not appear, then what is the number of characters being used? 0, 1, 2 till 8, which is 9 number of characters. So we just have to convert. Solution is, since the odometer uses only 9 characters, It is 0, 1, 2 till 8. Implies actual distance equal to 2025 base 9 converted base 10. Do you understand? Because we are living in base 10 world, even though that shows a base 9 number, we have to convert it to base 10. And here it is not a number itself, it is just a representation. Numbers are actually representation, it does not measure exactly. So this is not actual measurement. This is just a representation of a measurement, which is this. What is the actual measurement? So actual measurement is 2 into 9 cube plus 2 into 9 plus 5 into 1. This is the actual measurement. Now, did you understand? If you understood, I mean, I should have gone live for this. This is a crazy, this has to have some response from you and it will be so much fun. So let's see. So had the digit 4 disappeared. In the faulty odometer, had the digit 4 disappeared, would the answer change? Would the answer change? Instead of 9, 4 disappear instead of 9. Of course. The answer would not change because the number of characters remain the same. It is just the mechanical thing that it is rotating per kilometer, it rotates once, right? And once it has rotated 9 times because no, answer is no, right? Because the number of characters remain same, remain 9. There's 0, 1, 2, 3. Instead of 9, 4 is gone. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The number of character is 9, right? And it changes per kilometer. So the count does not change. The distance measurement, the count does not change. So that's what I want to convey here. So the homework for you is find distance measured, distance actually traveled when 5 and 8 are missing in an odometer, and it shows 2015 kilometers or 2025, does not matter, any number is fine. 5 and 8 are missing. Now if 5 and 8 are missing, how can it so 2026? Huh? Let me write this number clearly. 2026 kilometers. It shows 2026 kilometers and the digits 5 and 8 are missing in that odometer. So find the actual distance. I hope you can do that. Meet you soon in the next video. Stay tuned. Bye.